Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Color LaserJet Pro device. In my case, it's MFP M479FDW device. And now I'm going to show you how to get this HP printer online. So, there are two ways to get your HP printer online. If your printer has the Wi-Fi module, so you just can connect your printer to the Wi-Fi using this monitor, using settings. But I have no Wi-Fi on my printer, and I have only the one way to connect my printer to the network. How to get my printer Wi-Fi is to connect my printer to my router, to my Wi-Fi, to my switch, I don't know, but not to the computer, because if I will connect my printer using Ethernet cable to the computer, so I will have the access to the printer only from this computer. But if you want to connect it to the networks, so if you want to anyone in your home, for example, or in your company can print documents using your printer, you need to connect your printer using Ethernet cable to your switch or Wi-Fi router. But if you have old Wi-Fi router, you can have the troubles with connecting your printer to the network. So you need to have not too old Wi-Fi router, okay? So now just connect your printer using Ethernet cable. This is the slot of Ethernet cable is on the back side of your printer, and here just connect your printer to Ethernet. When Ethernet cable will be connected, you will see green lights under your Ethernet cable, and it will mean that your printer is successfully connected to the network. For example, now I will disconnect it, and now, for example, I want to print document using my device. So if I want to do it, I just need to click share, then click print, and here, as you can see, here I have HP, okay, so maybe it's not recognized that HP printer is disconnected, so I will try again, print. Have a trouble. Okay, I have the access to my, I have no access to my printer, so I don't know why, so I will try to print. And now it's not possible, as you can see. I want to print, but it's not possible. Contacting printer, and as you can see, there is a problem to print document now, and I don't know why it's visible in my network now. It might be invisible, but okay. So, but now when I will connect the printer to my Wi-Fi, to my router, and now when I click in print, as you can see, the printer is low on toner, so it's connected, but now I think that my printer will print my document. So I will try again. Okay, it's printing now. So that's it. If you want to connect if you want to get your printer online, you just need to connect your printer to the network. If you have Wi-Fi model, so connect with Wi-Fi. If you have just a simple model, so just connect it using Ethernet cable. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.